Good. I was about to say good morning, but I know it's not morning time right now. It is afternoon. It is what time is it? It is 1:50 p.m. and as you guys can see, I'm back in my room. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm back here vlogging again. I am back home, back in Jamaica. I feel good and bad about that, and I will explain it in a little bit. I'm actually looking for my remote to turn down my fan. Y'all already know the Schweppes with me and this fan. It is trying to ruin my videos all the time, but guys, this is, first of all, from the title you guys already know that I'm in quarantine right now. This is day 2 of quarantine for me. I got back on Saturday and today is Monday. So the way it works is that the day after you get back is the first day of your quarantine, not the day that you actually come. So when you fly into Jamaica now, you have to quarantine for 8 days whether or not you are fully vaccinated. Well, if you're fully vaccinated, you have to quarantine for 8 days. You can come out of quarantine if you do a PCR test and it comes back negative. If you aren't fully vaccinated, I think you have to quarantine for 14 days. But I am not going to waste money on doing a PCR test just to come out of quarantine because I absolutely have no interest of leaving my house. So you know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna spend $18,000 on a COVID test. Like, it's just not happening. Just to leave quarantine, no. And then at the rate how me hear how everybody in Jamaica in a quarantine and everybody's sick and everybody have flu, like they don't realize that it's COVID. Me? Go where? I'm not interested. I am staying my butt home. I'm not leaving. I'm not going anywhere. Y'all ain't gonna catch me outside. Okay, so I'm kind of watching the cases right now to see what's what. When I was in Canada, the cases went up to like 14,000 in the area, but then as you guys would have seen, I didn't really go out that much. Most of my outings were like going to the shops and stuff, and then when I went out with my best friend, which was like probably once a week, I think. So I wasn't really outside like gallivanting and stuff. And I mean, the thing with Canada as well, I don't know if I mentioned it in my vlogs before, but there were restrictions, you know, in capacity, and you kind of had to be fully vaccinated to enter buildings and to dine in every restaurant. So I actually had to walk with my COVID my vaccination card and my ID everywhere I went, and you have to present that card to dine in a restaurant everywhere you go, which is something that I liked. It made me feel a little bit more comfortable in like the people that I'm sharing space with. Unlike in Jamaica, you know, anybody can go anywhere, anybody can do whatever, it doesn't really matter. So it kind of make you feel some form of relief and feeling a little safer, you know, in the environment that you are in. Obviously with Omicron and whatever, anybody can get it, and I mean, whether you are vaccinated or not, anybody can get COVID. That's not the point. The point is that if you're vaccinated, you're less likely to die from complications of COVID if you are not immunocompromised, and I think a lot of people forget that. But anyways, enough COVID talk. I am in quarantine right now. I have a whole new vlog set up as well, which is so exciting. You guys can let me know. You guys would have seen in the last couple vlogs that my quality has changed. You guys can let me know what you think about it, if you like it. I had some issues with upgrading my phone and I didn't get the phone that I wanted, but I kind of just made do with whatever. I couldn't bother. My bank was giving me issues while I was overseas, and I just took what I could get. You know what I mean? I just took what I could get and just call it a day. Yeah. But let me know if you guys see a difference in the quality, if you like it, because I mean, I wanted to upgrade my quality for 2022. We're trying to be consistent. Also, you guys would have realized that I've been uploading twice a week, Wednesdays and Sundays. Let me know what you guys think about that. If you guys want me to continue doing that, I wanted to try it out since I had a lot of vlogs in the back from Canada. And because I would have been back a while when you guys are seeing this vlog, I would have been back in Jamaica for at least 2 weeks. 2 weeks or a week, I think, by the time this comes out, because I have a lot of vlogs in the back, but I'm not exactly sure how long those vlogs in the back are gonna last me. I think they're gonna last probably like a week, because I'm posting twice a week now, Sunday and Wednesday. We will see though. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. I will be watching, like, if you know my view counts, if you guys are watching the vlogs twice a week, and that will be the deciding factor if I continue doing it. So y'all know what to do if you want me to continue posting twice a week. It's gonna be harder for me, but I'm gonna try. So as I said, I'm in day 2 of quarantine. This intro has been so long, and it's afternoon. Haven't eaten anything. I kind of got up late. I'm so tired. It's the jet lag, baby, because I am tired. But I'm trying to get back into a sleep schedule as well, because my sleep schedule when I was away was terrible because I was on vacation. I know that I have to be working back with my clients, everything. Anyways, I bought a coffee machine and I'm so excited, but I think I have to do some stuff to it before I can use it. I think I have to run like hot water through it and all the Schweppes. And I also need to set up this little section right here, which is where I'm gonna put the machine. I need to set it up properly, but I'm excited because I have my machine now.
I don't drink coffee, so
Oh, guys, by the way, today's my mom's birthday. Tell her happy birthday in the comment section below. Say happy birthday.
quarantine birthday.
Quarantine birthday. But the good thing about it, as you guys would have seen in the vlogs before, is that we did celebrate her birthday while away. Even though it was like, her birthday wasn't, you know, but we celebrated before we left. So at least we got something, right? A little something.
Oh, beautiful cake.
Yeah, the cake was really pretty. It's very pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this machine first before I can use it. I think I have to run hot water through it. I'm gonna find a booklet and figure it out. Give me a second. Why am I telling them about the coffee machine like they didn't see this in the vlog? I'm just remembering that you guys would have seen this when I got this machine at Walmart. Just remember. But anyways, plug in power, fill and place. I won't go in here. Okay, we need to turn her on. Okay, so this is a setup because the cord is short, so I have to put it right here, and then the tea box and everything goes over there. As y'all can see, my coffee maker works amazing. Exactly. I didn't add any sugar, low-key, because I forgot, but then afterwards I was like, it's whatever. Fun fact, I couldn't find Minor Figures oat milk in Canada, so I had to be drinking like some other brands. You know, I thought about bringing the leftover milk with me, but it couldn't hold, and then because it's in a box, I'm afraid it kind of bursts or something, because, yeah. So I had to get this one from Costco, Kirkland, which was good, I liked it, but the oat milk that the Starbucks and Tim Hortons use, not a fan. It's like too strong, like, if that makes sense. The oat milk overpowered the flavor of the drink that you were having, so all it tastes is just the oats. I'm just like, am I drinking a coffee or am I drinking straight oat milk? You know what I mean? Yeah, never love that.
Like before the car, like anytime stuff searching, and then.
So is it supposed to have like a cursor in the search box kind of thing?
Yeah, or? Like.
morning, y'all. It is quarantine day 5, I think. I don't even remember, but you guys don't know. You'll see it on the screen. Nothing has changed, you know. I'm still here, feeling okay in quarantine because the government said so. I've just been having issues kind of like falling back into like a work routine. I am so tired and I'm still going to bed late every night because I don't know, I just can't sleep. I'm such a night owl, so I can't sleep early, but at the same time I need to get like some proper sleep because like I'm so tired. So that's my struggle right now. I got up this morning like at least a bit before 8 to try and finish up some stuff, and then after submitting them I kind of went back to sleep until like basically just now. And I think it's like, let me tell you what time it is. It's like 1:38 and I've been up for probably an hour, so like 12:30 I decided to get up again. So I'm like, my sleep, I just like feel so tired, you know. But I've also been working like straight into the night, so like when I usually get up now I work till like probably like 8 p.m. depending. Like I work till about 8 p.m, a little later sometimes, and then the routine starts over. So it's just, you know, I'm just tired. I think I'm gonna work at my desk today. I've been working in my bed for the past couple days because I've just been tired and I just didn't want to feel like too I don't know, I just, you know, I want to feel comfortable. But I think I'm gonna work at my desk today. I need to kind of sort it out. I haven't finished packing still. I've kind of been avoiding it. I think I'm gonna try and finish packing today as well. I'm gonna clear my desk. I have so many things that I need to do here at home too, because I actually need to like clean my room and stuff because I've been away for so long, so it's kind of dusty. So I need to do all of that, but I don't think I'm gonna clean it today. I'll probably clean it like on Friday or so. Today is Wednesday, so I'll probably clean it like Friday or so. But I'm gonna try to finish unpacking today. I'm gonna try doing some laundry tomorrow, and yeah, so I'm gonna clear my desk and yeah, I'm gonna make some coffee first. Hold on. So I just finished editing my NYE vlog. I'm gonna try and see if I can get it up before 9 p.m. My internet has been really trash, so it takes a long time to upload stuff. So I'm kind of hoping it won't tonight. I have like an hour before it's 9. I do realize that you guys will watch my vlogs even when they come out late at night, like latest 10 p.m. You guys still watch them. I still get pretty good watch time during that time. So I'm hoping that, but I still don't want it to come out too late, you know. I want it to come out like at a reasonable time. So it just finished downloading. I'm about to upload it to YouTube, and wish me luck. today it's Friday. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm just about to start my day and it's like 1:28. Sorry. This reminds me of Canada. The weather is giving very much Canada. The gloominess, the darkness. It's getting winter. But yeah, my day is probably gonna be as gloomy as outside is right now. I'm gonna send some emails and kind of just relax into the weekend. I do have work to complete, but I think I'm just gonna bring them into my weekend instead of trying to pile it all into today and just feeling like, because I'm just not in the mood. And I think sometimes I do kind of put out boundaries and say, you know, hey, finish your work in the week, then you have a weekend to kind of unwind. But because I've been like so lazy this week and very like unproductive, I think Monday was like my most productive day. So I think because I've had such a lazy day, I think I'm just gonna bring my work into the weekend. I think when I mentally allow myself to do that, like when I'm in a space where, you know, I know I haven't been that productive and I'm like, okay, I'll bring my work into the weekend and do it at my pace, I'm okay with that, you know, because then it's not like me having to feel like I have like deadlines and I need to finish and blah blah. It's just me like kind of like, you know, watching a movie and just like doing my work here and there, and you know, I can appreciate that. Like, it's fine, I don't mind. So I think I'm gonna do that this weekend because I have a lot to finish and I want to kind of start next week, you know, like full throttle, because I don't want to disappoint my clients and stuff. And I know I haven't been doing the work this week at all. I've just been tired and just not in the vibe. And I think it's because I just haven't been doing that much work for such a long time, because that was like my first real vacation. Even after I stopped like uploading YouTube vlogs, I was still vlogging, but that was like my first real vacation in like a year, you know. So because I've been working straight since December of 2020 and I never stopped. Like, even though people see me go on these vacations and like do all this travel content, they think, oh, you're always on vacation. But I'm just like, I'm not on vacation. Like, this is work for me, you know. I don't get to completely relax because I'm either shooting like content either for the hotel or just for myself, so that I don't feel like I fall off. Even though, I mean, last year I did kind of have to just take a step back from everything because it was just so overwhelming. But I definitely think I want to go back full throttle again this year. There's a lot that I want to work on, and there's a lot of effort that I want to put into my personal brand and all of that. So we'll see what the year has to offer.